need for soft drinks is ever increasing, especially as summer continues to swelter every passing day. We caught up with Rasna's group chairman Pirooz Khambata and got his views on the demand trends that are shaping up. Listen in.
As regards consumption of soft drink is concerned, the per capita consumption in India is much smaller than any other developed nation. So of course, if you have to catch on, there is much things to catch on. But this year is better, and I think all the blues of COVID are gone, and we are back to growth. I think when I say we miss the whole soft drink industry, which is very good news. And also, the whole, what I call, the whole paradigm has changed, the whole market has changed. And now customers are willing to pay premium for better products. And I think that is a good opportunity for many of technologically driven companies like us. Like Rasna, as you all know, Rasna is a brand, you know Rasna is part of the childhood, but a lot of people may not know that we are basically technocrats. And some of the best inventions in the categories of concentrates have been done by Rasna. Be it Ghar Ka Nimbu Pani, Aam Panna, Kala Katta, Mango Ripe, Shikanji. Now we have worked on a whole new generation product portfolio wherein we have, let us say, 100% natural colors, because nowadays that's a concern. No preservatives, 1/3 sugar by using stevia. Then I have got real fruit, no artificial flavors. So these are the type of products we are working on, and people are willing to pay premium for it.
Talking about India currently also, we have elections which have started. The summer demand, with the elections coming in, how does the demand for soft beverages look with the summer and with elections coinciding at the same time this time?
See, we have seen elections earlier also. The blip is little, not too much. Maybe in something else, durables, it might be more, but in soft drinks it is not too much. But this summer is a good summer because it's quite hot. Second, the Ramadan and the Holi, the way they have come it also, that has also added to the sales. So at least the primary pipelines, there is a very heavy demand for the products. Now we are waiting for customers, consumer pickups and all. But as of now, the trends are for the whole industry quite positive.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.